Aaron with the Locators, thanks for stopping by and checking out our channel. Got a good episode for you today. We hooked up with a fella on Edmonton Fishing Buddies. It's a group on Facebook. We've been conversing here and there to get together and catch some big wallies. He knows a good spot. He booked a campsite for himself and he booked a campsite for us. I'm headed over to Kyle's place right now to go meet up with him. We're going to convoy there. Got the trailer on the truck and we should be catching some big walleyes here shortly. Well, there we go. Met up with Kyle on the road. Operations GPS management. He's gonna take me to my location. The guy is an absolute wizard when it comes to getting around town. Get the net! Oh yeah! Oh, look at the color on that rig. Finally hooked up. So I put a purple. Oh, I got some color. Oh, it's so small. It's the smallest walleye in the lake. So a purple HCL. Here we go, little guy. Right through their belly. I'll get one right now. I can feel it in my... Oh, I got a hit going down. There it is, fish on. Oh, that's a good size. Light rod. Fenwick. Decent sized walleye. Oh, boat time. Peel and drag. Let him go. There's color. Oh, it's a good sized walleye. HCL. Look at that fat giant. Well, it's about time. Oh! It happens. That was a good size. Get him, Kyle. Double header! See some big walleye about time. Decent. Yeah, that's okay. You're not, yeah, you got it, Jamie. Nice, nice. You can barely grab it with your hand. Beauty, James. Nice fish. Nice. I bet you it's that same fish. Just get closer because I know that's a good sized fish. Oh, yeah. Nice. All day long. That's what it's all about right there, Jamie. Well, it might. It's coming up real quick though. Let's see. No doubt. Sidestepping. Sidestepping. Oh. Just a light rod. Yep. Let's go. Drop that last one. Let's get a good size walleye on, finally. You're hit and miss in here. Oh yeah, buddy. So exciting. Love walleye, especially seeing that. Look at that. I'm hesitant to tighten the drag. Oh, it's a good. That's a big one. I wish I had one right about now. It's a good size. Right in the top lip. Beauty. That's a good size walleye right there. Relax. Relax. Nice and fat. Look at the back on that rig. Okay. There you go, buddy. Yes. Oh, it's a big fatty. Oh, look at that thing! Beauty! Double header, buddy. Oh, I think I lost mine. Oh, he's still. I got you. Nice! Yeah! I hooked a good looker. Very nice.
Just nice and calm, eh?
You hold them right, they stay good.